Hello students, welcome to the channel Brain Drain, and this video is for class 9 maths polynomial part 5 exercise 2.4. We did 3 questions of exercise 2.4 in part 4. Now we will do the rest 2 questions, and these questions are related to factorize of quadratic equation and factorize of cubic equation. So how to factorize a quadratic equation? Factorize means to find the factors of quadratic equation. So because in the quadratic equation the highest degree is 2, so this every quadratic equation has 2 factors. So how to find the factors, how to factorize the quadratic equation? So I have written this quadratic equation 4x square plus 3x minus 7. 4x square plus 3x minus 7. For factorize the quadratic equation, step 1, we will do the step by step. You can draw a rough margin here. So step 1 is, first you multiply the coefficient of x square and constant term. Coefficient of x square and constant term. So what is coming? 28. This method by which we are factorizing, this method is called splitting middle term. Splitting middle term. In this method we will split the middle term. Middle term means the middle term should always be the x term. If the equation is not in the standard form, and what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c. Means the first term should be of x square, second should be of x, and the third should be of constant. Sequence should be proper in the equation. If the equation is not in proper sequence, then you write it in proper sequence. So by this, according to this method, we will split the midterm. But how we will split it? For this I am doing the rough work here. So you first multiply the first and the last number. 4 into 7, 28. And see this sign. Which sign? Which is in front of constant term. Which is in front of constant term. Which sign is this? Negative. It means you need two numbers. The multiplication of these two numbers should be 28 according to this, and the subtraction of these two numbers should be 3. So what you have to see, that how we will split the middle term. We will split the midterm according to these conditions. Which condition? The first condition, that multiplication of these two numbers, in which we will split 3. The subtraction, we will see this sign, not this one. The subtraction of these two numbers should be 3, and multiplication of these two numbers should be 28. Is it clear or not? Because this is very important. Again I am telling, first multiply the first number and the last number. Number of first term and the number of last term. 28 is coming. Then see this sign. Now you have to think two digits. Which multiplication should be 28 and subtraction should be 3. So I think 7 into 4 is 28, and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 में से 4 माइनस करेंगे तो 3 आएगा. So these two numbers are satisfying both conditions. So we will split 3 in 7 and 4. So this first term we will write as it is, because, and the last term also we will write as it is, because we are splitting the middle term. So in place of 3x we will write 7x minus 4x. We are not doing any change in the equation, we are just splitting the middle term, because 7x minus 4x will be equal to 3x. तो हमने 3x की जगह क्या लिख दिया? 7 माइनस 4. x क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि x वाली टर्म है ये. 7x में से जब 4x सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तभी 3x आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट. Now make two pairs. After that, next step is make two pairs. First pair, now you see what can you take common from the first pair. Can you take any number common? No, because there is no SCF of these two, but only we can take x common. So what is left? 4x plus 7. In this pair we have taken x common, so in this term 4x is left and in this term 7 is left. Now what can you take common from these two? Next pair, nothing, because x is also not there in the both term and number also we cannot take any number common, so but we have to write anything. So we are taking minus common and with minus we will write 1. So what is left here? Because we have taken minus common, so the signs will be changed. So 4x will be positive and 7 will be positive. Clear? Now here you can check your solution that it is correct or not. If both brackets are coming same, if these both brackets are coming same, it means our calculation is going correctly. So now we can take this bracket common again. If we will take this bracket common, what will left here in this? X, and what will left this side? Minus 1. So you can see these two are the factors. Until we can't find the factors where between two expressions the multiplication sign should be there. So this is first factor and this one is second factor. So the factors of this quadratic polynomials are 4x plus 7 and then x minus 1. Clear? To explain you more about this, I have taken another polynomial also. This polynomial procedure is same. Here is 1 means only variable is there, so constant number is not there, means so no need to multiply, because if we will multiply 2 into 1 only 2 will be there. So how to split this middle term? We have to see only the numbers. So x square will be same, minus 2 will be same. And what is the condition of this middle term for splitting it? That multiplication of both numbers should be equal to 2 and minus sign is here na, not positive, and the subtraction of these both numbers should be कितना होना चाहिए? कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे, तो कितना होना चाहिए? 1. So we have to take two numbers that if we will multiply then 2 should come, if we will subtract them 1 should come. So if we will multiply 2 into 1, 2 will come, and if we will multiply 2 minus 1, we will subtract, then 1 will come. So 2 into 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So which numbers we will write here? 2x minus 1x. So 1x की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? Only x. If 1 is not here, it's already known that this is 1x. Now open the bracket, x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. Again 2 pairs. So from this pair I am taking x common, so x plus 2 left. From this pair I am taking minus 1 common, so x plus 2. Both brackets are same, it means the calculation is correct. So x minus 2 and another factor is x minus 1. So these are the two factors of this quadratic equation. Clear? So now let's study how to factorize cubic equation. In cubic equation, highest degree is 3. That's why this cubic equation will have 3 factors. How many factors? 3 factors. So how to find 3 factors? In this first one factor, we will assume ourselves. What can be the lowest? Means the smallest factor 1 or minus 1. And we have already studied that how to check that the given number is the factor of the given polynomial or not. How? Just put this value in this equation. If the remainder will come 0, then yes, this one is the factor of this polynomial. So how to check? So first we will take 1. Now put value of x as 1 in this polynomial. 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. So it will be equal to 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. So add positive ones, 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 5. Minus 5 equal to 0. So remainder is coming 0. It means yes, 1 is the factor of, if 1 is the factor, it means how to write this 1 in the form of x? X minus 1. Yes, x minus 1. Therefore x minus 1 is the factor of px. Yes, s minus 1 is the factor of px. Why x minus 1? Because we have put 1. If you saw the previous videos carefully, so I told you the first step, that you suppose the first step is x minus 1. So first find out the value of x from gx. So it will be x equal to 1 by keeping it equal to 0. Then put this value in this polynomial to find that x minus 1 is the factor of px or not, gx is the factor of px or not. So same here we have done, we have put 1 in this polynomial, so remainder is coming 0. It means yes, x minus 1 is the factor of px. So one factor we have got already, that is 1. After getting one factor, now we will find two more factors of this cubic polynomial, because x minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So we will split these two middle terms of this cubic equation according to this, that x minus 1 is the factor of px. So how to split these middle two terms? You just apply the logic here. Listen carefully and apply the logic. With, if we need x minus 1 in the bracket, because x minus 1 we have checked already that this is the factor of this cubic polynomial, we have already checked. So x minus 1 we need in the bracket. So what should be there with 2x cube? If we need inside the bracket x minus 1, minus 2x square should be there. Means we will split this x square in two numbers, that minus 2x square I am taking here. So minus 2x square, then because plus 1 should come, प्लस 1 आना चाहिए. ऐसे दो नंबर लेंगे जो एक्स स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में भी हों, लेकिन उन्हें प्लस माइनस करके आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? +1. सो माइनस 2x स्क्वायर में अगर हम 3x स्क्वायर ऐड करेंगे, सो +3 - 2 +1. ध्यान रखना है कि साइन में भी और नंबर में भी कोई चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी चेंज इन नंबर एंड वो वेरिएबल एंड साइन ऑल्सो. सो एक्स स्क्वायर शुड बी देयर इन द बोथ टर्म्स. Because +1 is there, so you take two numbers like this, that +1 should come. So I have taken +3 - 2. But why I have taken -2 + 3? Because when I will take 2x square common from these both terms, so x minus 1 will be in the bracket, and x minus 1 is already a factor of px. That's why I have split this term in like this. Now because we have split it here, and this x square in the two terms, 2x square plus 3x, तो इसमें से भी हम 3x इधर निकाल लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमें x - 1 चाहिए ना. -1 मतलब जब आएगा जब दोनों टर्म्स के नंबर सेम हो, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे नंबर सेम लिए. तो अब -5 को भी ऐसे स्प्लिट करेंगे कि यहाँ पे तो आ जाए 3x, बोथ नंबर शुड बी सेम. सो व्हाट विल लेफ्ट? माइनस माइनस प्लस, देन नेक्स्ट नंबर विल बी 2x. नाउ यू सी हियर 3 - 2, -3 - 2 विल बी इक्वल टू -5. तो ना तो साइन में कोई चेंज है, ना नंबर में कोई चेंज आ रहा है, एंड हमारा पेयर भी बन गया. व्हेन वी विल टेक 3x कॉमन, x - 1 विल बी इन दी ब्रैकेट. नाउ दिस इज लेफ्ट, so write this term also here. Again take -2 common, so x - 1 will be in the bracket. Why x - 1? Because minus we have taken common, so this term will become positive and this term will become negative. So now you can see x - 1 we have got in the 3 brackets. So now x - 1 we will take common, So what will left in with this? 2x square. What is left with this? Plus 3x. And what is left with this? Minus 2. So by this we have got one quadratic equation. And how to split this quadratic equation, how to find the factor of this quadratic equation, this I have explained here. So write this quadratic equation here. 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Now split this, factorize this equation, because we need three factors. Till now we have got only one factor. If we will take this also as a factor, so till now we have got only two factors, but this is cubic equation, so it will have three factors. So now find two factors from this one. So 2 into 2, 4. So we need to split this middle term in two terms, like multiplication should be equal to 4 and subtraction should be 3. So 4 minus 1 यही होगा, because 4 minus 1 will be 3 and 4 into 1 will be equal to 4. तो आपको 3 की जगह 4 minus 1 लिखना है, बाकी पूरी इक्वेशन सेम रहेगी. So 2x square, now you open the bracket, 4 into x 4x minus x minus 2. Again make two pairs, take common. So I am taking 2x common from these two, because 2 also can be taken common, and x also. So what is left here? X, and here plus 2. Now from these two terms what can be taken common? Only minus 1. So x plus 2 left this side. So now same brackets, take common. So what is left with this? 2x, and what is left with this? Minus 1. So two more factors we have got. And what was the first one factor? X minus 1. So which are the three factors of this cubic polynomial? These are the three factors of the cubic polynomial: x minus 1, x plus 2, and 2x minus 1. Clear? So this is the method for doing factorize of cubic polynomial. Sorry, not cubic equation, cubic polynomial. I have written here equation. Cubic polynomial. So let's start exercise 2.4. Now we will do the factors of quadratic polynomial in exercise 2.4. Question number 4 is factorize. I have taken two parts, first and fourth, and rest two parts you will do yourself and check that you have got it or not. So step by step do it. If you will do every solution step by step, you will not go wrong. So first step is that you multiply first and last number. No, before this the step is that this equation is in standard form or not. Yes, first term x squared, next x, then after that constant term. So we need two numbers. The multiplication should be 12, and which sign is here? Positive, and plus should be 7. एडिशन 7 आना चाहिए और मल्टीप्लिकेशन 12. तो कौन से ऐसे दो नंबर है जिनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन 12 होगा और एडिशन 7? यस, 4 and 3. 4 into 3 12 होता है, एंड 4 और 3 7 होता है. इट मीन्स इन प्लेस ऑफ 7x वी विल राइट 4x एंड 3x. So start doing 12x square minus, always write in bracket, because if minus sign here, so we have to change the sign inside. 4x plus 3x plus 1. Now open the bracket, minus 4x minus 3x minus plus 1. Rest terms, the first and last terms will be written as it is, only we have to split the middle one. Okay, now make two pairs. Now what will we take common from this first pair? First you see the numbers 4 and 12. 4 can be taken common, SCF, and from x square and x can be taken common. So what is left here? 4 into 3 is 12, and x square divided by x. Now what will left here? 1, because 4x the complete we have taken common. Now from this pair what can we take common? Minus 1. so it will sign will change. 3x minus 3x will be positive 3x and plus 1 will be minus 1. Now you see the both brackets are same, no change, so it means it's correct. So 3x minus 1, take common this bracket, and what is left here 4x, and what is left here minus 1. So what are the two factors of this first polynomial? Therefore factors are 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. One more part, fourth. Why I am taking again and again, that the concept should be clear to you. So again 3 into 4 12 आएगा, and minus करके क्या आना है 1. So take two numbers same, that subtraction should be 1 and multiplication should be 12. Same numbers होंगे 4 and 3, because 4 minus 3 1 होता है, 4 into 3 12. So in place of minus x we will keep 4x minus 3x. बस आपको साइन का बहुत ध्यान रखना है कि यहाँ माइनस है तो माइनस करके आना चाहिए, इफ़ देर इज़ प्लस हियर सो एडिशन करके आना चाहिए आंसर, ठीक है. माइनस यहाँ वाला माइनस सेम आएगा, देन इन प्लेस ऑफ एक्स यू राइट 4x minus 3x, देन अगेन दिस साइन minus 4. नाउ ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स, minus 4x plus 3x. What happens so many times I have seen to the students, that students directly they write these numbers without bracket, they never write these numbers in the bracket. So if minus sign is here, so when we will not write these numbers in the bracket, so we will not change the sign, तो क्या होता है कि कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग हो जाता है, फिर आंसर गलत आता है, ठीक है. सो यू डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप, इट विल नॉट टेक मच टाइम, so do step by step. Now make two pairs. Number, any number can be taken common? No, because 3 and 4 both are co-prime. Only x. So what is left here? 3x minus 4. And from here only 1 can be taken common. 3x minus 4. Now take common 3x minus 4. So x plus 1 is left. So what are the two factors? 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. I hope this quadratic polynomial factorization is clear to you. So pause your video here and do two more parts. Then again start your video and see the factorize of cubic polynomials, which we have done already, but we will do two more parts. There are 4 parts, we will do 2 more. First one is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Okay, so I told you that first factor you assume yourself. So let's take gx x minus 1. You can take x minus x plus 1 also, x minus 1 also, x plus 2 also, it's your wish. So x minus 1 या x plus 1, पहले इनमें से आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं. So I am taking x minus 1. So if we have to check whether gx is the factor of px or not, what we have to do? First to find out the value of x. Value of x will be 1. Now put the value of x in this equation. In px, 1 cube minus 2 1 square minus 1 plus 2. So it will be 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2. So add positive and negative together, 1 and 2 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So the answer is coming 0. It means yes, which we assume that is correct, that x minus 1 is the factor of px. So when we will do the next calculation of this cubic polynomial, we know already that x minus 1 is the factor of px. तो मैं x क्यूब के साथ क्या लूँ? सिर्फ माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. इस 2x स्क्वायर में से माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर मैंने अलग ले लिया, तो फिर क्या बचा? माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ही बचेगा, क्योंकि माइनस माइनस प्लस होते हैं. And minus 1 minus 2 हो जाएगा. If I have taken minus x square here, so minus x square is left. Now how to split this minus 1? This minus x आगे भी तो split करना होता है. In this cubic equation we have to split these two. If I am taken minus x here, अब इस minus 1 को कैसे split करें कि आंसर minus 1 ही आए? so I am taking plus x this side. what I am taking plus x. so नहीं माइनस टू एक्स लेंगे अब यहाँ पे, बिकॉज माइनस प्लस माइनस होगा और माइनस टू में से प्लस वन माइनस करेंगे तो माइनस वन आएगा. माइनस टू प्लस वन विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स. अगर मैं माइनस एक्स को मैं कैसे स्प्लिट कर रही हूँ, माइनस वन प्लस टू में, और प्लस टू माइनस वन में तो नहीं कर सकती ना, देन आंसर विल बी प्लस वन एंड वी नीड द आंसर ऑफ माइनस वन. दैट्स वाई माइनस वन वो सॉरी प्लस वन माइनस टू and then plus 2 is the left term. First and last term will be same and we will split these two. So now start taking common x square. So x minus 1 is left here, then minus x, so x minus 1, then minus 2, so x minus 1. X minus 1 is coming. In this also we have to make two pairs. 3 pairs will be there. First take x common from this pair, x square sorry, so x minus 1. From these two the smallest is x, so we will take minus x common, so x minus 1 will be in the bracket, and from these two minus 2 will be taken common, so x minus 1 will left inside the bracket. So you can see all brackets are same. So now take this same bracket common, and what is left here, x square minus x minus 2. Now what we will do, we will do the factorize of this cubic polynomial also to find two more factors. So when you will do the factorize of this quadratic equation according to this which I explained you, then two more factors will be x minus 2 and x plus 1, and one factor we have already found out. So what are the three factors coming of this cubic polynomial, x minus 1, x minus 2 and x plus 1. So these three are the factors of this cubic polynomial. Now you come to the next fourth part, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Same procedure. First we will assume, so I am taking, let's take that y minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So y will be equal to 1, so put 1, 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. So 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 1, so 3 plus 3 0. It means yes, y minus 1 is the factor of this polynomial. So again write this polynomial, 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1, and split these middle two terms, that in all three brackets y minus 1 should be there. All three brackets y minus 1, when we will make three pairs and we will take common, then y minus 1 should be there inside the bracket. So how to split? So I am taking here minus 2y square, क्योंकि अगर मुझे y minus 1 चाहिए ब्रैकेट में तो यहाँ 2 है तो यहाँ भी 2 ही होना चाहिए. तो अगर इसमें माइनस 2y स्क्वायर ले लूँ तो प्लस 1 कैसे आएगा? हाउ टू गेट प्लस 1? प्लस 3y होना चाहिए ना, या फिर यहाँ पे प्लस 3y स्क्वायर, क्योंकि प्लस 3 माइनस 2 ही तो प्लस 1 होगा. तो y स्क्वायर हमने कौन से दो नंबर में स्प्लिट किया है? माइनस 2 प्लस 3. अब इसके साथ भी फिर मुझे 3 वाला टर्म ही चाहिए, तो 2y को जब स्प्लिट करेंगे तो उसमें से माइनस 3y यहाँ पे ले लेंगे. माइनस 3y यहाँ लूँगी तो यहाँ प्लस y लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि माइनस 3 प्लस 1 माइनस 2 के इक्वल हो जाएगा, एंड देन माइनस 1. नाउ मेक थ्री पेयर्स. So from this pair 2y square common, so y minus 1. From this plus 3y common, so y minus 1. From this plus 1 common, so y minus 1. Then take y minus 1 common, so 2y square, then plus 3y, then plus 1. Now split these, factorize this quadratic equation. When we will factorize, the factors will be y plus 1 and 2y plus 1, and one factor is y minus 1. So what are the three factors of this cubic polynomial? Y minus 1, y plus 1, and 2y plus 1. So this is the method of factorization of cubic polynomial. So I hope these two types of factorizations are clear to you. So do the remaining parts of this question, and next exercise we will study in the next video. Thank you.